In this video, I will be talking about an app that I've been working on for a while. I'll be explaining what the app is about, then I will be talking about the programming languages that I use and why, and then finally I will be showing you a demonstration of the app that I have named Song Searcher. So let's get straight into it. So what is Song Searcher? Song Searcher is an app that I created to allow people to be able to search for the artist name and the song name and get the information in one place. For example, if you wanted to look up Queen as the artist name, and then for the song name you look up something like Bohemian Rhapsody, for example, and then you click search, you will then get information from both the Spotify API and the YouTube API. Now regarding the YouTube API, you will get back the music video, you'll get back a lyric video, or even if there's other videos for it, for example Bohemian Rhapsody lyrics, or say audio visualizer, Bohemian Rhapsody, that kind of stuff, it will actually show that as well. And that will be shown in this example, that there are multiple videos that will show for one artist and his song that I inputted. Now, what programming languages did I use? Well, the first one that I used was Python, and I actually used Flask. This was for the backend to be able to get and retrieve information from the APIs. Next then I use for the front end, I use JavaScript React. This was to show the information on the screen. On to the final part, this is the demonstration. This is what you are greeted with when you actually boot up the app. So as you can see, it is a React app like so, and it is running on localhost 3000, which is the default one for your front end, and your back end then for Python Flask will be actually on the localhost 5000. And just for me to know that it works, and for you if you wanted to download this, the hello world is there just for an example. Like I said, if you do want to download it, I have it on my GitHub repo. I will be putting that link to that in the description below, and it is called Song Searcher if anyone wants it. Just warning you, if you do download this and you want it, you will have to create your own .env file and put in your own YouTube API key and also your client ID and client secret Spotify information as well. That's how I did Spotify. So going back to the front end, as you can see here, we have two text boxes and we have a search bar. The hints in both of these text boxes tell you what to put in. So for example, artist name in text 1 and song name in text 2. Now I'm going to take my example that I have been using for this, and it is a rapper. So this is what the song that I'm going to be looking up is on Spotify, and his artist name is actually Packy. And then over here then on YouTube, as you can see, it is Packy Wobbin as well, and this is what comes up for you. Other ones do actually come up as well that I will show you. So for example, if we put in Packy here and hit tab and go over to text box for the song name and put in Wobbin and click search, it will start searching and it will actually return the Spotify results. Now there is two Spotify results here because Packy actually released the song as a single, and he also released it then on a album, which was Mad Lifey, and then this is the single Wobbin. Also then for the search results, as you can see here, there is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is actually 5 different results, and each link brings you to them. So for example, the Packy Wobbin, the first one actually brings you to here, and then the other ones are by different people. If you actually look down here, I actually have a back button, so the user can do this multiple times, so they can put in anything they want and it will constantly be coming up. Once the user has their information, they're like, I want to look up someone else, they can actually go and click back, and then they can go and search somebody else up if they want. So for example, if, like I said, if the user wants to go back and, like I said before, look up somebody like Queen, Bohemian Rhapsody, they can actually do that. The artist name will be the Queen, because it's the band, they are technically the artist. An artist or band will go into the artist name, and then the song name will always be the song name. So if we put in Bohemian Rhapsody and then search, it will give us the Spotify results, and then it will give us all of the information as well for their remastered and live part, and it will give us all of the YouTube results as well. So as you can see, all of these here are the Spotify results all the way down to the basically the header saying YouTube results. And as you can see, there is a lot of the YouTube results, and there is a lot of Spotify results that I was actually quite surprised with as well. I did not realize there would be that many. And of course you can go all the way down to the bottom and click back as well and keep doing this. So really the only reason I really made this app was because I wanted to be able to use Python, and then I wanted to use something else like React as well, and I wanted to see how they could work together, and it just basically learning for me because I did Python a bit in college but I didn't do much, so I wanted to kind of dabble in it as well, and I've seen a lot of React stuff as well, so I wanted to do something in React as well. I will be having other projects that I will be doing, and they will kind of be coming out, but when, I don't really know. Just be on the lookout really. Thank you for watching, I appreciate it. Goodbye.